Hello people, welcome to Windows Vista Adventures episode 1. Now this time, this should be a lot more usable than XP. So what I've got to do is, well, first off, VMware tools, as you can tell. Quite an important step, because you don't really want this. Really? What on earth? Okay, clearly it doesn't know what it's talking about, so... But apparently it does. Oh no, that's the Vista still thing. Yeah, I don't really understand this. So this should be have the extended kernel, which should mean I'm able to run recent versions of applications, theoretically. Does it work? I don't know. I would have probably been better off if I use my existing VM, well, say existing VM. I'd created it even earlier today, but it didn't have like the extended kernel pre-installed, and like looks like I needed to update to service pack, whatever. I don't know what service pack it goes up to, but yeah. So let's do some testing. Can I play some? Well, can I install some stuff? So I've got 7-zip. I've got 7-zip that will run. Don't worry. It's Warfox, really. That's literally like the only thing. And then this pirated copy of Cities Skylines. So, yeah. I can't remember if it's shown that. Yeah, okay. See, you get these problems. Now, I'm not necessarily sure what's going on. It's got a newer version of Internet Explorer. This looks like it's not Internet Explorer 9. Let me check. Can you just... Okay, now it's doing something. Cool. Oh no, it is Internet Explorer 9. I could have sworn the things were more darker. Maybe it's like if you're on like error or something. Yeah, as you can see, this is already going horribly great. I mean, look at this. You know, no transparency effects. You know, none of that. It's been ridiculous. Oh, for God's sake. I think the degree changes. So yeah, as you can tell, this is going great. When was Internet Explorer 9? I want to say like 2011, yeah. That's literally what I was thinking. Does it render my website? Fine. Grow.cc, new or old. Internet Explorer actually renders my new website perfectly fine, by the way. And so does this. I do need to sort this out. I don't want to know if I was thinking. I'm just such a lazy person. That looks ugly. But it loads with the SVG in the background. Like, that's one thing that older web browsers seem to struggle with. And yet Internet Explorer actually handles it. Except for there's no gradients. Just... Is there? No, I don't think there's any gradients. Okay. So you get the point. Now, let's do some research. Windows... You know what, it's probably just best to do this bit off camera, try and work out what on earth is going on. See you in a bit. Let's do a WinVer. By the way, the keyboard is a bit dodgy, hence why I'm like, struggling to type stuff. Yeah, this is Service Pack 2 with extended kernel. What if I were to install something more recent, like, maybe I should just not try something else first. That would probably be a good idea. Let's try Steam, for example. Do you know what Steam looks like? It's a thing that normally doesn't work, and it's not working because I need to get a web browser. Okay, fine. Firefox. I don't know, considering stupid thing. Getting adverts for other web browsers. I almost clicked on that as well. Could have tested it, but I'm not testing out Opera. It's Opera spyware, like, no, it's the racist browser, supposedly. It's like the most random thing. Did that say Firefox 52? Oh, I'm just going crazy. Oh, it's installed Firefox 52, isn't it? For God's sake. I mean, Firefox, don't import anything. Okay, that's the thing that I didn't think about. It being an old detecting, oh yeah, this is an old thing. Now, let's be real, I do like this Firefox design. Does it load my website correctly? That's actually a good question. It probably does, to be fair. Yeah, that's correct. And the new layout, correct, yeah. Because Interweb PPC loads it correctly, and that's based on, like, I feel like it's like Firefox 30 something. But yeah. How do you update the browser? Probably in options, right? Yeah, it's probably not going to get any updates then. Well, do you know what's really annoying me? How cramped this screen is. Display settings. Let's turn up to some more reasonable. 1440 by 900. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. So, let's go back into here. Probably be in just general, wouldn't it? No. Yeah, I guess like they just like disable it. Update. Show update history. Yeah, okay. And what happens if I search for Firefox on here? I bet it's just do the same thing. Yeah, so this is a problem that I didn't really think about. Download Firefox. No, it's still downloading ESR. Firefox for desktop. Firefox browser support. Oh, download options. Windows 64-bit. Yeah. Please don't give me Firefox. Firefox latest. There you go. The better question is this going to work? It might not. That's the thing. See? So, how to use Windows Vista extended kernel. That's not how you spell kernel. I can't spell, you know. Things it said like, oh yeah, it's just genuinely irritating. So, yeah, Firefox version A8. Like, to be fair, that's like 2021. But like, yeah, okay. I'll try and sort this out off camera. Actually, should I go to OBS Studio? That's search up for OBS, it'll probably appear these days. Fine, let's be real, we've all just forgotten. Where's Windows 10? Oh yeah, I think 29 dropped it. I don't know if it now it supports it, but Oh well. That's actually a good question. Yay! Download. Yes. Steam, it's on Steam. Okay, no. I'm just gonna do this to install Steam. Okay? Really bad idea. To be fair, the actual installer does actually run on Windows XP. It's really weird, but it does. So, as I said, runs on XP. Steam's no longer. So, this is the thing. Nothing's working. I'm clearly missing something, aren't I? Because it said, OBS and whatever. It's like, why is it not working? Am I being unreasonable? But yeah. God. Like, this is ridiculous. Do 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 do. Like, this is just annoying. Okay, I'll do this. I'll do this off camera for real this time. See you in a bit. Okay, so in some progress. So this is like the VM without the extended kernel pre-installed, so I had to manually install all of the stuff. Use this thing instead of that one. And well, problem is, I've tried to install, it said it worked, but however, when I open up, some software like Roblox, for example, I get this. And I've also changed the OS first, so if you go, that's not how you spell it, WinVer, says 6.1 build 7601, which is Windows 7, apparently. So, I've not really had much luck. I had to install all of these updates, it's really not that exciting. Then, oh, there's some software here. I didn't actually know that there was software in here. If this doesn't work, then I did actually realise there's software in here. Okay, maybe this video isn't just rubbish that I'm gonna throw in the bin, if you know what I mean. Maybe it is. But yeah, this has just been going horrible. See? Start. See? Just crashes. 32, I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, see? Not working at all. See benchmark 20. There should be more stuff working. No, I have literally checked if there is a tutorial for Roblox working. Yes, there is. Okay. Okay, something's worked at least. So I'm not going like absolute crazy. I could run this, Bad idea, but I've done it. And then VS Code, really not that exciting. I wouldn't be surprised if VS Code won't work. So, oh, it works. What on earth? The web view's broken. Okay, I shouldn't be surprised about that. Because it's probably like Chromium, and so you can tell Chromium's just not having it. And to be fair, I've managed to get WarFox to install. Doesn't work though. But yeah. Should I try and just copy these somewhere? I don't know where you're actually supposed to copy them to. So I'm just gonna maybe copying them manually and then of course rebooting. Right? I hate this file explorer, like, I'll just be honest. Why isn't there like a sidebar with all the stuff going on? Computer. Okay. Go into here. Windows with a question mark. What's the files you need? Kernel. Okay, it's probably not in there. It's in system. No. System 2. I could just copy it and see. Can you tell I have no clue what I'm doing? Your classic Windows icon. Should I just copy it? No, maybe it's just like some weird problem. HRJK. But yeah. It's probably like, yeah, there's kernel 32. Yeah, probably copy it in here then. Paste. Copy and replace. Try again. Try again. Skip. Is it just good? Yeah, okay. Should I try the installer again? That might be a good idea. Yeah, it's supposed to run as admin. Okay. Okay, cool. Honey, it's from 2021 and not 2022. Should I be concerned? Well, okay, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, let's do what you're supposed to do, which is, of course, do a reboot. I know how to do a reboot, but it's not how to do a reboot. It's will a reboot fix the problem? Probably not, considering how stuff has been going. But let's just wait and see and find out what's going on. So, all you need is patience. But the thing is, I don't have patience, really. I'm sorry, I just don't. Hence why I'm just trying to say as much stuff to fill up the time. It's quite slow, isn't it? But do you like the dock? That's what it looks like. It looks like a dock. Steam's not having it, that's for sure. Roblox is not going to have it, see? OBS is really not going to have it because it's Windows 10 now. Ridiculous. I've got 2 Chromes, one's like 107 and one's like 109, I believe. So, connecting to the internet will pop up with, I can't remember what the error said, but it's like update. I think one actually crashes and then the others. Yeah, no updates available. I've also got Kex set up, which makes Windows 8.1 applications run on 7. No. You've got, and then you've also got annoying pop up. Just close. We've got this one. This is 107, by the way. Like, this has just been. See, and then you get not supported, actually, not crashing. And then what's in here? You've got all this stuff. Maybe you're supposed to set up. Maybe you just Press all other keys to set up. See, this is not going great. Oh, okay. Supposedly now, but it's probably still not work because I haven't rebooted. That's just how things work. So, it's not loading. That's a different thing. Okay, I'll reboot again. I'll stop the recording this time. Oh my god, Steam's doing a thing. That's progress. Okay, maybe this isn't hopeless. Maybe not hopeless. Oh, okay, finally. Oh my god, okay. This is Warfox is working. Everything's going back to the good old days. Connecting to Roblox. Let's have Roblox and Windows Vista. This shouldn't exist, but oh well, I'm making it happen. By that logic, I should be able to install, like, play a recent version of Minecraft, right? Okay, let's install the Prism launcher. Stupid name, by the way, I just want to say that. But this is working, oh my god. It took me this long of fiddling about, but oh well. That's for Windows 10 11. It's sad that they're calling Windows 7 Legacy. It's not Legacy. I remember. Okay, I was going to say I remember the time before Windows 7 existed, but to be fair, technically no. That shows how much of like a 5-year-old or whatever I am. Okay, to be fair, it's okay. Okay, at least it's not fully working. I'm saying that like it's a good thing. It's not a good thing. Steam stopped working. Oh well. Steam just crashes. Oh well. Are you in the mood for some Roblox? I'll see you in a sec. I've probably sorted more stuff out. Okay, a thing was happening. Now it's disappeared. Oh no. Should I just try and see if like Java was it 17? I think you need for Minecraft. Oh god, stupid cookie pop up. Yeah. Yeah, so basically I've got to do this boring thing. See in a bit. I think I slightly broke my system, or hopefully. Let's just start it. Note that I've broken my thing. I thought this had happened as well. Last name good configuration. Does that mean just before? Basically, I tried to install the VMware drivers. I don't know what I was thinking. Why that was a good idea, because, yeah, idiot. Should have done like snapshot thing. Probably means I'm actually running low on like actual storage space. Like that much. So I'm gonna have to literally move stuff. And I should probably just stop recording and move all my videos onto my thing. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, a bit of a continuation. I've got Prism launcher working. I'm gonna change that to a gig. No way I'm using that much. Why do you even select that? Oh well, I don't care about Java. Yeah, okay. Should see if Java will work. Oh yeah, I'm trying to get C Skylines to work. It'd be funny if I can. It's a pirated copy, so I've always said that I think. But yeah, it'd be funny because you know, because Steam won't let me, so how about just remove Steam from the equation? I do actually think it could work, that's the thing. Now I've sort of kind of copied some of the stuff over, but to be fair, you just get this. Hence, what I'm doing right now, basically it fails to extract fully, so basically I'm just extracting it on the actual host, and then I'll put the folder in. So theoretically, I do feel like it actually has a chance. Now, let's get back to what I want. I want Java, I want update to Java, and it's not looking particularly good because when I tried to open as administrator, nothing. So, of course, I could go with, like Java 8, and that would work for versions up to 1.16.5, So, basically, you've gained absolutely nothing except from instead of using multi-MC, you're using Prism Launcher. So, not much gained, essentially, which isn't ideal. So I'm not actually sure what to do. So, yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Hello. I've made a slight little mistake that wasted a bunch of storage. I've already got a folder that basically does what I need it to do. I'm just wasting time, for God's sake. So let's go into my thing. Not up here, actually. We'll go into here. Go here. And then drag this onto the desktop. Yes. Ah! Also, I've ran out of slight space at 95%. That's also a problem. I should be able to expand it. I think I have more than enough in the host still. Yeah, I have more than enough in the host, so I can fix that. Nor that it's not that much gigs. Okay, I guess I've got to expand the hard drive. See you in a sec. Okay, should be all sorted now. 80 gigs instead of 40. Yeah, boom, problem sorted. Well, I say problem sorted, now I've got to go back into my SMB and do the stuff. See you in a bit. Okay, so everything has, been moved over. Let's go into it. Will this work? Maybe. No. I'm just saying no. Okay. Maybe I was being a bit too confident. Maybe it's because of the mods. Maybe. But I think you get the point. No. See in a bit where hopefully I've installed a Java that isn't Java 8. See you in a bit. Bye. Okay, so I've managed to install Java 17, believe it or not. Well, OpenJDK, so Java essentially, but open source version. And it sort of doesn't work. It's just not being detected. So that's called a problem. Let's try the 1.8, Java 8, good old Java 8. Accept, maybe I'm supposed to now, I don't think so. Let's just hit install. Okay. God, it's been a bit slow. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes again. Jesus Christ, what's that outside? Okay. Now is it going to do the same thing? Boom. Java 8. Which isn't really that exciting because, as I said, supposed to do that. And I need to add that in the account. So see you in a sec. Okay, so I've manually redirected 1.19.4. For some reason it didn't appear to be a thing in the same thing unless wasn't looking properly. So if I hit launch, unfortunately, it crashes. Not what I want. So I think the answer is no for newer versions of Minecraft, unfortunately. I could try like 1.17 and manually do it again. I'm not being anything that there isn't. Oh no, you can. Okay. Wait a second. Do it select. No. Oh, I see. Okay. So if I do, you're supposed to do Java, right? Doing exe. So if I try and launch this, what will it default to? Yeah, 1 point. Java 17, and it's just not working. Unfortunate. Am I right? However, with 1.16 and me choosing the correct Java, it should just work. Because it works on XP, therefore it works on Vista. It's really not that exciting. Like, apart from I guess we're using the superior launcher, fork of multi-MC. So yeah, I mean it's a bit slow, but I mean it's a virtual machine. I do want to do it on real hardware, by the way, and I do have the perfect laptop literally from the era because it's shipped with Vista that I could do it on. The only problem is it's just not really turning on where I tell it to turn on. So unfortunate. Am I right? But yeah, I'll see you in a sec when it's loaded. I'm just wasting your time otherwise. Boom, here it is in its unboring form. Unboring, I mean boring form, I guess, anyway. Because I've already done this with this XP. I'm just going to go on my server. Just to show you. Boom. Mouse is a bit messed up, but that's just more of a virtual thing. Was there a problem on XP? So I don't necessarily know what's going on there. Let's just go on like Hypixel. Okay, hypixel.net. Oh, 10th anniversary. Oh well. It's gonna complain. Oh yeah, they're dropping support, but yeah. See. Is this supposed to be dark? I don't know. Cheatcast. Like, oh my god, that's cool. Username. Yeah, I mean, what's the FPS like? I'm pretty sure this is actually worse than XP. And it's like, the same specs I gave the virtual machine, apart from more storage. But yeah, I mean, it runs, of course, the warning message doesn't really matter. You can always play on 1.8 anyways on here, so it's not going to affect you. It's pretty much not actually technically affecting anyone, but like, even still sad having the options because, to be fair, 1.16 with like sodium's probably like the best performance you're actually going to get. But I mean, or 1.12, with like Optifine. Well, say Optifine as if it's making that much difference. It's probably still not making that much of a difference in 1.12. It's like 1.12 for those where it's just really well optimized. Essentially, that's what it's known for. I swear to God, anything that ends with like version number of 12 is just like really well optimized. See Minecraft 1.12 and iOS 12. I guess Big Sur wasn't. No, not Big Sur. I mean, it's not. I was thinking Big Sur's 12, but no, it's 11. Monterey is 12. I've no comment on Monterey really. I don't really have any experience after Big Sur, but yeah. Okay, I've gone very off topic, haven't I? But all you need to really know is it works. You know, hi from Windows Vista, buying old 1.16.5. Not much else to say really. It's just cool seeing old stuff running, new stuff. That's the main thing I enjoy, trying to get stuff that doesn't feel like it should fit in, running on old stuff. That's sort of the whole point of these stuff, but yeah. Seen a bit where maybe I've done more stuff. So I've tried installing like an old version of Java 17. Still the exact same problem. I've changed it to just java.exe as well. I've tried Java W.exe as well on this version, don't worry. But yeah, I mean, all the rest are literally like Java 8 or Java like 13 and 11. Oh, there's 12 apparently. And that's literally not going to help at all. Thanks to them jumping, that much in Java editions, Java versions. So there's not really much I can do, unfortunately. But yeah, no, I think it's Java 9. Doesn't matter again. But yeah. So, I mean, there's 32-bit. Java 8 doesn't matter. And Java 11 doesn't matter either. Apparently, the official OpenJDK. Shall I try this just to make you happy? I guess I will. See you in a bit. Java 20, still same problem though. So I doubt going to, Java 17 will actually do anything. But yeah. So I guess I can't use any new versions, despite me, being on Prism Launcher. Quite sad. But oh well. See you wherever. Okay, so I've got Proxy here. Basically, you connect to a server and then you type in your server address that you want to connect to. So I could join like a 1.8.2 server like I'm trying to do here. However, it's not working. I'm getting all of this stuff. Shall I see if giving it more RAM will help? Where do you put? I think you put before the -jar, right? I don't know how much RAM it's supposed to give, so I'm just gonna give it too much probably. Okay. Okay, yeah, that should be the correct format. Yeah, so there's my account. And what I'll do is do nc.racing. It's a 1.18.2. Use selected account and start. So get more RAM, but it's probably still. Oh! Does the issue? Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, so you just needed to give it more RAM. Literally it. Oh my god. This is cool. I've installed a couple of mods now. Still broken mouse, unfortunately, but yeah. I I've got a question though. What about like the terrain? So if we go to like my place, which is NCT, New Clydro Town. Of course, it's a bit awkward since I've got to be facing down. Why am I going this way? What am I doing over here? Sorry, my mind just went like completely blank. Oh, for God's sake, it's not allowing me now. If I go down to the ground, so this is the boring bit, me going down. Basically, I've got to go round. I don't remember that curve. Oh God, it's getting dark. I should have installed full bright. Oh, I get a potion. There we go. And oh yeah, this is basically as deep as it goes. Might as well just write them down. Yeah, so I'm curious to see what how it handles the extra depth you have in new versions of Minecraft. That's just what I'm curious about. And yeah, you can't actually go further down. For God's sake, where was I? Here. For God's sake, yeah, this is a little bit problematic. Oh, did I do it? So I guess this is kind of cool though. I guess I've done one cool thing. So yeah. So basically, what happens if it's a structure? I've got an idea. Now I've got another question. What if it's a structure that's above the build limit? I believe one of these towers is above the build limit there, and the site and diorite one. I'm saying it's just going to be cut off. That's my assumption. Oh, oh, oh. Is this actually seriously going higher? Oh no. Yeah, it's been cut off there. Okay. Never mind. Yeah, it's a bit laggy, but I've got to remind you. And yes, it's not letting me go through there because there's blocks there. You just can't see them because 1.16.5. So, yeah. I don't really know any other servers that I could join that are new versions. I mean, my servers just work because I've got fire backwards. But I mean, this is cool. I guess that's going to be it for today. Went from unsuccessful to slightly successful with Minecraft. Well, okay, okay, slightly is a bit of an understatement, but still not, perfect. No Steam, no Roblox, even though I should be able to do it. I will, maybe I'll do it in between episodes just to make it a bit more interesting. But yeah, see you in a bit. Well, that's going to be it for today. So I'm thinking I'm carrying on. So that's going to be it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed me playing Minecraft on Windows Vista and Water Fox, and yeah, pretty much it. Yeah. See you later. Goodbye, people.